Stop by and take a look at the 2017 A3. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.